Monday, National Chest Day. We started off with the incline dumbbell chest press. We started off light, you know, you always want to warm up your shoulders, you always want to warm up your pectorals, everything. So start off with the lightweight and make sure you're getting the movement right. Pretty self-explanatory, you know what it is. If you can do a regular chest press, then you can do an incline chest press. Anyway, we started off light, 4 sets, worked our way up to like 70s, and our last set was a drop set. So we did 70s, and then we cut down back to like 50s to burn out. So that was it. After that, we did regular barbell flat bench press. You really just want to aim for your nipple line. Want to come back up. You don't lock your arms up when you're up here. Don't lock them up. Just keep the tension going. Don't lock here. Don't lock up there. Just go down, up. 4 sets. Last one, drop set. Do whatever weight you are comfortable with. Don't want to get injured. Hypertrophy training, guys. So we're trying to keep it light to moderate weight, high rep. After that, we went to cable front lateral rope. That exercise really focuses on the bottom of your chest and on the middle of your chest. Don't go heavy on that because your shoulders are going to start coming into play. That's not what we're aiming for. We're aiming for the chest. So try to keep it light to moderate weight. 4 sets. Last set was a drop set. So, and what a drop set is, pretty much, a drop set is 1 set where you go heavy. Let's say you're doing 40 pounds, and then do as many as you can with 40 pounds. Drop it to half the weight, or drop it 10 pounds. And finish off, burn it out. That's what a drop set is. Anyway, you really want to focus when you're coming up, squeezing your chest, opening up. Make sure you're feeling on your chest. If you start using your elbows too much, that means you're probably going too heavy. Anyway, after that, we did incline cable flies. On incline cable flies, on any fly actually, my best advice is when you're going down, you don't have to strain out your arms like that. Kind of keep an angle when you're going down. When you're going down, come back up and straighten out, squeeze at the top. Go down, keep that angle, come back up, straighten out, squeeze. 4 sets, that's it, drop set. After that, we finish the workout off with some push-ups, weighted push-ups. You can do whatever pushes you want, you know, just the point is to burn out the last little bit of it. Working out, guys, you don't have to constantly work out for like an hour and 30 minutes. If you have the energy to do that, go for it. Work out for 2 hours if you want. But we're trying to keep our workouts short but effective. So that's why we're doing hypertrophy training, that's why we're doing high reps, and that's why we're doing light to moderate weight. Anyway, the workout took us about an hour, probably less. You know, it doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter on workout. What matters is how hard you go during your workout. After a set, if you're resting 2 to 5 minutes, then you're not doing anything effective unless you're strength training. If you're strength training, you're going for power. You want to hit a certain PR. You know, you want to have a new max weight, and of course you're going to take a longer break. You're going to take like a 5-minute break. You know, helps you really rebuild your energy and helps you push as much as you can. But right here, we're not focusing on that. We're focusing on hypertrophy training. short rest stops, intense, high rep, low to moderate weight. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you like and enjoy this video, guys. That was our chest workdown. Till next time, guys.